Page 105, Michael rolled the boat ashore. Again, we're just getting out of that 5-finger position. Here, it's the right hand, and what it is instead of this position, the thumb comes down, you're in this position. That's quite common. So you can be in either position. Sometimes you go back and forth, or depends on what's needed. In this piece, it's here. Other than that, you're not really moving around. Let's look it over. 2 lines long. It's repeated, so we're going to play it twice. Treble and bass clef, 4/4 time. We have 2 beat pickups, so we're coming in on beat 3. Now it looks like the melody is going, right hand has it sometimes and the left hand has it sometimes. Won't that be fun? Right hand first, let's make sure we got the notes and the rhythms. So we're here. We already decided that. The 3/4. 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, rest, rest. Okay, so much for the right hand. Left hand, it comes in toward the end of the first line with whole notes here in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. They put a curved line over that, so you gotta love it. As if you don't have enough challenges already. Okay. If you're struggling, forget this. If you're getting it pretty well, then we need to learn to do this eventually. You just well do it now, I suppose. I want to connect the top note. I can't connect the bottom note, it's repeated. So it's really a weird feeling. I had a time learning to do this. You have them down, and when you get ready to play the next note, you just lift up on the other note, and you play them both together. It doesn't hurt to go back and forth. It's a weird feeling. You should do it in both hands, but this is good enough for now. So if you can, go ahead and connect this as best you can. The last 2 measures at the second line, the melody's in the bottom staff. Put the hands together here. Well, for the most part, the hands are playing by themselves. It's here. Then connect it. Articulation, connect it, lift up, and I already talked about the slur here. Slurring is part of articulation. Okay, then add the dynamics. The dynamics go to the melody. MF, mezzo forte, moderately loud, medium loud, sort of loud, whatever. The other stuff is in the background. And the left hand gets it. They don't need another MF there. The MF at the beginning is good enough. See, the last 2 measures, the melodies and the bottoms. This is soft. So forth, so you do the melody, the dynamics. Speed, moderately slow. I've had a couple, 3 cups of coffee now. I'm starting to kick in, so my moderately slow might be not so moderately slow. I don't know. Whatever you think moderately slow is, that's good enough. The idea is get to know it well enough. You're not thinking about the mechanics. You're not thinking about the notes and the rhythms and the fingering and all the phrasing and all that junk. It's just kind of coming to you, and you start thinking about the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. You start getting into the music, start feeling the music. The moderately slow is the overall feel of the music. It's not the speed of the beat. So the speed of the beat is whatever it's got to do to support the feel of the music. The slow. definitely had too much coffee on this. I'm not in the mood to play this piece. I remember I said before on another video that when you repeat things, we try not to play them exactly the same way twice. You know, we alter something, change something. Well, here, the thing that's changing are the words, because you'd be singing with this. If there's no one singing to it, there's probably no point in really repeating it. So you take it on a as needed basis on what you change or don't change and whether you repeat. Most of the time the repeat is important. You do it, but not always. Let's play it together slowly and just double check all the notes and rhythms. Not going to do any dynamics. So I'll give us 2 counts because we come in on beat 3. Now we are going to repeat it though. Ready, go. 1 and 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And 2. 2. 2. 4. Repeat. 2. 2. 2, 3, 4.